sleepy Monday. And now we got one of our shows coming out in a couple of hours. The new season of The Good Doctor. We're looking forward to seeing what Sean's up to. And sorry, interrupted by some animals. But yeah, we're just trying to get our week lined up. I was working on some computer stuff earlier, and I'll probably tinker around some more with my computer stuff, and I just in between tinkering and relaxing. That's kind of what we're doing today. It was just a really rainy, kind of a dreary day, but it looks like it's clearing up to be a pretty good little day. Thank you guys for watching this little update, and I hope you guys are having a good week so far.